So in this video, I'm going to be doing the burn book. Okay, so this is the idea. I know it doesn't make any sense, but that's what we're going for. Just trust me, okay? So let's get into this design. So the first thing I wanted to do was find the perfect like hot pink color, and this is a really great color for D&D. I thought it matched the burn book, so that's what I used. And these nails have already been prepped, so if you want to see a video about that, check this one out here. But right now I'm just going to go ahead and put 2 coats of this polish on. Okay, so after I was done polishing, I wanted to give the pink polish like I don't know. You know how the book was kind of destroyed, like it's been through some things. So that's what I was trying to go for. So I just put some black ink, alcohol ink, on a sponge and some acetone. And I just dabbed on the ink and then, you know, dispersed it with the acetone just to give it a messy look. I recommend wearing gloves, but you know, I don't never wear gloves, so. But I recommend it. You should wear gloves. But that's what I did to get the destroyed look. I just fucked up the nails, really. I just put, like I said, this alcohol ink right here onto a sponge. And then on the opposite end that I'm dabbing it with, it has some alcohol / acetone just to, you know, give it that destroyed effect. And there's really no rhyme or reason to like how I did it. I just did it. You're going for a destroyed look. You can't really mess it up. That's the good thing about it. Okay, so after that, I'm going to go in with these stickers that I made. Shout out to my Cricut machine, Crickisha. I made all of these decals and the letters with my Cricut machine. So if you guys want a video about that, just comment down below. what I did was I took the vinyl that I used to make the sticker, just the regular vinyl, and I figured out how much that I needed to put on the sticker, well, on the nail, and I cut out the little, the little rectangle, little box. And then I grabbed my letters and put it on top of that white vinyl, so it looked like the stickers that they had on their burn book, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. I'm trying. Okay, so you see, I just put it on top of that white vinyl and cut it out so it's a little bit smaller. And then I just put it on top of the nail, and it's a sticker, so, it just sticks on the nail, no curing or anything. And I just did the same thing throughout, just cut out the size vinyl that I need, put the letter on top of it, and stuck it on the nail. Okay, so this is the results of all of that, and now I'm gonna move on to like the little doodling part of the burn book. And I use these micron pens that I will have linked in the description box. These are just so much easier to draw on nails than just gel polish or like gel paint. Like, I just think if you're gonna doodle on a nail, I recommend these pens. But I tried to get as close to the burn book as possible. So I was looking at a picture of the book, of course, and just trying to match it up as close as I could. But at the end of the day, we all doodle on our notes. I'm not going to say we all. I doodled on my notes while I was supposed to be taking notes in school. I was doodling. And it just brought me back. I just had so much fun with this. to the other hand. I already did the thumbnail with the doodles on it. But for the other hand, it had the lips on it, and I made these lip stickers with my Cricut machine. So once again, shout out to you, Krikisha. But I just put the lip stickers where I wanted them to be, and that was that. It was pretty easy. I'm sure you could use these, do the same thing with any other lip stickers. I'll try and find some on Amazon and link them in the description box below as well. But yeah, that's what I did. Just took my little stickers and put them where I wanted them to be. And like I said, I wanted these to be as close to the burn book as possible. So if you look at the other side where the lips are at, they kind of have like this imprint where you could tell there were stickers there, but they peeled them off. So that's kind of what I was going for. Just putting that alcohol ink around the lips and then just dispersing it. I don't know if that's the right word, but y'all see what I'm doing. But this is the look before top coating, and now let's get into it after we top coat it. Did I kill it? Did I kill it? Comment down below if I killed it. And I really gotta say, I had so much fun making these nails. I made them for an influencer, one of my faves. I will leave her Instagram down below. Make sure you go follow her. But I really hope I helped you guys, just learn some things, how you can utilize different techniques in creating some bomb-ass nail designs. So like, subscribe, comment, do all that shit. If you want to buy these nails, they are available on my website. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.